9.2, Pythagorean theorem, rounding. Pythagorean theorem we talked about a long time ago at the beginning of the year when we did distance formula, because we would have 2 points on a coordinate plane and we really wanted to know the distance between them. We were actually creating a right triangle and doing Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse. So Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This guy Pythagoras figured out that if he squares the legs and adds them together, that will always equal the hypotenuse squared. And remember that the hypotenuse is always the side that is straight across from the right angle. So in this problem, I'm going to call this x, I would have my legs be my x or unknown side in the 13, so I would say x squared plus 13 squared equals my hypotenuse 21 squared. 13 squared, you can look on my wall, but you should know that's 169. 21 squared, I'm not sure. That's 441. Subtract 169. That's 272. And always look what it said. It said round to the nearest tenth. So when we square root here, we're not simplifying a radical like we just learned on the last lesson. We are actually square rooting and nearest tenth. So that would be 16.5. Which seems reasonable compared to the other sides of the triangle. Okay, and then one more of these. These are my legs. I'm actually missing the hypotenuse. So I would have 8 squared plus 14 squared equals x squared. 8 squared I know is 64. 14 squared is 196. Add those together. I get 260. A lot of times I'll just type 8 squared plus 14 squared and go ahead and get that number. And then I'm square rooting both sides. So I get x to be about 16.1.